Hey guys! Oh my god. Welcome to Behind the Recipe. I'm so excited for this recipe. This is our smash burgers with bacon and portobello mushrooms and grilled asparagus and caramelized onions on a buttered bun. I don't know about you, but I'm taking a bite.
Okay, I'm going in.
And also tomatoes.
Oh my god. And messy is a good thing, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Seriously? These are the burgers from our Facebook Live that we grinded this meat from scratch. Short ribs, sirloin, chuck. And then we cooked it in bacon fat over here with caramelized onions, added tomatoes, bacon, and a portobello mushroom that I deglazed with soy sauce. Okay, sorry.
Best burger I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
No way. I might have to agree. This is hard to say. I put ketchup on this already, but I like a lot of ketchup on my burger. I usually make like a dipping area so I can dip my burger. This doesn't even need ketchup at all. It's like one of those obnoxious restaurants where they don't put ketchup on the burger and you're like, can I get ketchup on the side? They're like, no. I'm like, I'm not coming back here again. Okay.
It's great.
Say something.
It's so great. It's so great. It's delicious.
Should we try the asparagus?
Oh my god. It's so good.
It's so good.
The dog will get
On
it.
the floor.
We don't have a dog.
Perfectly cooked. I gotta have more of this burger. I can't take it. Okay.
The bacon and the onions in there. Wow.
Sweating, it's so good.
Wow.
You guys, you can do it. I know you can.
You should do this one.
You gotta do this one. Sick. All right, signing off. Love you guys.
We
Stay
gotta keep
tuned.
eating.
We're gonna keep eating.